I can't believe it was a year ago. I was blessed to truly understand the world. I thought I needed to speak its language. But it's not the words we use. It's the empathy in our hearts, the curiosity in our minds, and the courage to connect that truly open up the world around us. Language is a tool, but understanding is a bridge built with genuine human connections.
Ay, Lucis, katitya mo tuwing parang patitili mo.
Gago, ganito ba?
Yes, Lucis na sa perfect. At akin na yun siya. Pero po, oh my God. No, look ko wala sila si
Wala yung magkape.
Pwede tayo mag-Tagalog our policy in our school. Pwede ka mag-Tagalog dito.
We should follow our policy. We can...
Let's settle down.
Wait, masama yan natin na yung subject natin today.
Ano pa ba? BSc 25.
Ano nga yun?
Language Program Policy Multilingual.
Ayun na naman, nakakatawa. Alam mo, may marami bagong TikTok kayo, Mark, mag-share tayo doon na mag-TikTok na nila. Yung ano yung bagong shake.
Ano shake?
Ay, sorry.
Shake you.
Oh, Kilburn yarn. Tara na.
So, okay class, next week, the Teacher Education Department will conduct a pageant for Miss Education 2025 next week. So, let's go! OMG, tingin sila!
Pageant, hindi ko kala mo yung party, hindi huwag ka na makisali.
Ma'am, I think Glenn enjoy the pageant ko.
Uy, bakla na ba yan? Ma'am, hindi po, ma'am, ayoko sumali eh. Ayoko sa mga ganyan. Pang magagaling lang yan, ma'am.
Oh, how about give it a try next week? Besides, still have enough time to prepare for it.
Go muna yan, stay.
Gagaling ako manalo-nalo sa barangay contest. Diyan pa kaya sa mga magagandang. Ayoko yan ako marunong mag-English. Kailangan kasi fluent in English. Hindi ako marunong ayoko yun.
Ako bahala. Pwede, ano na?
Kayanin ko kaya doon eh.
Oo, kaya ko yan. Isipin mo lang yung mga tinurang tinaral natin. Sakit ka dyan.
Kasi ang hirap to ngayon kung bakla ka na kung mag-English. Okay sana kung Tagalog lang, hindi ba?
Simple English lang yan.
Ano simple English? Eh, yung yellow ko nga nagiging yellow. Yung focus ko nagiging... Well, sabihin natin hindi masyadong focus. Pero buti sana kung ano eh.
Ano?
Hello mga kawain na! Kamusta? Hi na kayo? Hi na! Diyos ko na hi na! Tulungan hi na niyo ako, Lord. Hi na! Ha? Ayun, kinakabahan talaga ako ngayon.
Wala yan, huwag kakabahan.
Eh, paano kung tanongin nila ako dun about sa elucidate on the socio-economic of postmodernism? Anong sasagot ko na natatay lang ako dun? The girl who can't be moved?
Eh di, call an interpreter, di ba?
Last 5 minutes to curtain call. Glenn, ready to claim your destiny?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confined and beautifully brainless without heart.
Una kaya. Una kaya. Pinuhay mo ang diwami, nalingsiwag jinilimi. Pinuhay mo ang diwami, nalingsiwag jinilimi.
What a breathtaking performance! Ladies and gentlemen,
Everyone truly pours their heart and soul into this talented portion. Now, we will be back at an exciting question and answer portion.
Oh, basta na matatandaan na, just do your best, huwag kang makabahan. Naaral mo ba yung mga sinend ko sa'yo?
Ang dami naman kasi yun eh. Pero, may isa ko natandaan yung about sa bilingual.
Ay naku, basta, galingan mo na lang. Pero yan.
Thank you for wonderful question. I love you. I love you all. I love myself. And I thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 3. Now, let's call candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, please step forward. Miss Glenn, since you're the last candidate, the judge that will ask you a question is none other than Mr. Henry Cornigo.
So, here's my question for you, candidate number 4. In your opinion, how intrinsically crucial is it for aspiring pedagogists to assiduously foster an inclusive learning environment that transcends and extends linguistic barriers, as well as profoundly embraces multifarious cultural backgrounds?
Glenn, do you need a moment or a glass of water perhaps?
Excuse me. Permission to interpret, Your Honor. My best friend's brilliance should not be lost in translation due to a mere linguistic manner inconvenience.
Well, this is unorthodox, but in the spirit of inclusivity, proceed, Miss.
Atria brillante, or should I say justice?
Alright, Miss Josie will be the interpreter of Miss Glenn. Do you want me to repeat the question? Alright, the mic is yours.
No. Thank you. And I understand. Okay, Mare. Relax. Ang tanong niya, gaano daw ka-importante para sa mga aspiring teachers ang paggawa ng inclusive learning environment kung saan humahamon sa mga language barriers at inaaral ang iba't ibang cultural backgrounds. Gets?
Oo, gets, Mare. Maraming salamat. Para sa akin, napakalaga na ang isang guro ay lumikha ng isang espasyo kung saan ang bawat mag-aaral, anuman ang kanilang wika o kultura, ay nararamdaman na sila ay kabilang at pinahalagahan. Ang pagtanggap po sa bawat pagkakaiba ay hindi lang nakapagpapaganda o nakakapagpayaman sa karanasan sa pag-aaral, kundi mas malawak din ang ating pag-unawa sa isa't isa bilang mga individual. Ang wika po ay tulay, hindi hadlang, kung kaya't ang pagiging bilingual ay mahalaga upang mas marami tayong maabot at matulungan. Maraming salamat po.
Well, she said, for me, it's extremely important for a teacher to create a space where every student, regardless of their language or culture, feel a deep sense of belonging and appreciation. Therefore, being bilingual is essential to help and reach more people.
Well, that was a truly insightful and deeply articulated message. Thank you, Miss Glenn and Miss Josie. This was enlightening. Well, that was certainly a memorable, or dare you say, transformative Q&A. It truly highlighted an incredibly important aspect of society. Number 4.
Being bilingual is not just about words of dictionaries. It's about bridging worlds. When you know Filipino in English, you can talk to more people, understand more stories, connect with more hearts, and even dream in 2 languages. It's like having a superpower that connects you to everyone. Thank you so much.